Nats for Men Down Under. G'day guys, today I will be demonstrating how to use the new Nats for Men Down Under hair removal cream. Here are my 2 really hairy coconuts. And here is a tube of Nats for Men Down Under. Open the tube and squeeze a good amount onto your hand. I'm gonna do a little bit more because my coconuts are quite large. Gently rub a thick, even layer onto your coconuts. And there you have it. Our coconuts are now fully coated. Leave it on for at least 4 minutes, after which get excited for the big reveal. And with a cloth, wipe away the cream and voila, the smoothest coconuts you have ever seen. And that's how you use the new Nats for Men Down Under. So